Dishwashing powder. Welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn the different steps it takes to make dishwashing powder. At the end of this session, you will know what is dishwashing powder, what are the materials required to prepare dishwashing powder, what are the ingredients required to prepare dishwashing powder, how to measure using a digital scale, how to measure using a physical balance, what are the steps you need to take to make dishwashing powder. A dishwashing powder is a cleansing agent that differs from soap but can also emulsify oils and hold dirt in suspension. Step 1. Gather all the materials needed for the job. The materials required to produce dishwashing powder are 4 to 5 basins, sieve jar, weighing scale, gloves, mask, a flat scoop. Since acids are corrosive and dangerous, safety measures should be taken while handling them, like wearing gloves and mask. Also, you should not inhale the gas of the acid. Manage spillage right away if any. Okay. Step 2. Gather all the ingredients needed for the job. The ingredients required to produce 11 kilograms of dishwashing powder are soda ash 600 grams, acid slurry 300 grams, sodium metasilicate 50 grams, and brown calciate 10 kilograms. Now you know well the ingredients required to prepare dishwashing powder. So, it's time to weigh the ingredients now. At the outset, weigh the required amount of ingredients using a weighing machine. For example, suppose you need to measure 600 grams of soda ash. Here, you first place the empty container on the weighing machine. The weighing machine will show the weight of the empty container, say 400 grams. Now, press the tare switch, which will bring down the scale to 0.000 grams. Now put soda ash into the empty container till the weighing machine shows 600 grams. This way, you can measure and take the required amount of ingredients. If you weigh the ingredients using a physical balance, it will not have the tare facility. In which case, you have to consider the weight of the empty container. For example, if the empty container weighs 400 grams and you need to take 600 grams of soda ash, then the weight in the scale would be 1000 grams, which means 600 grams of soda ash plus 400 grams weight of the empty container. Here, we are measuring using a digital weighing machine. Measure all the ingredients one by one and keep ready. Let's start making the dishwashing powder. First, put the 600 grams of soda ash into a big mixing basin. Pour 300 grams of acid slurry into this mixing basin. And mix it with a scoop. As you mix it, the mixture will swell up. At that time, add half of brown calciate, that is 5 kilograms, into the mixture and mix it. Then add the other half of brown calciate, which is again 5 kilograms, into it. Then add 50 grams of sodium metasilicate into the mixture. Mix the entire mixture thoroughly with hand. Then filter the mixture with a sieve. Weigh the required amount and fill the empty powder packets. Here, we are filling 500 grams of powder packets. Now let's review the 9 easy steps. Step 1. First, put the 600 grams of soda ash into a big mixing basin. Step 2. Pour 300 grams of acid slurry into this mixing basin and mix it with a scoop. Step 3. Add 5 kilograms of brown calciate into the mixture. Step 4. Mix it thoroughly. Step 5. Add the other half of brown calciate, which is again 5 kilograms, into it and mix it well. Step 6. Add 50 grams of sodium metasilicate into the mixture. Step 7. Mix the entire mixture thoroughly with hand. Step 8. Filter the mixture with a sieve. Step 9. Weigh the required amount and fill the empty powder packets. Keep the work table clean before you leave the place. You have now learned what is a dishwashing powder, the materials and ingredients used to prepare dishwashing powder, how to weigh the ingredients in a digital and physical balance, and how to prepare dishwashing powder systematically. So now we have successfully produced 11 kilograms of dishwashing powder. With that, we've come to the end of the session. Hope you have enjoyed the session as much as we have enjoyed sharing it with you. Thank you.